Hey y'all, got another banjo here. This is a nice 1890s, very plain, unmarked Fairbanks and Cole. Pretty nice banjo. This is a nice rosewood, very thin rosewood veneer that's on the front of the peg head here. I wish I had a better lighting situation, but this is what we got right now. But it's a pretty plain banjo. The position markers, the mother of pearl inlay, seem a little, some of them are a little bit larger than what seems usual to me. These nice sort of bigger ones here. It's got these neat, the original Ivoroid or celluloid peg, friction pegs here. They all match. Very nice stuff. You can see it's unmarked. There's no stamp in here. The only marking that there is a little serial number that's right in here. I wonder if I can get y'all to see it. Yeah. There's a little bit of a serial number there. 8928. But it's a Fairbanks and Cole. It's just unmarked. Nice banjo. The other thing it's got that nice old, very old celluloid tailpiece there. Very nice. So that's cool. It kind of matches the pegs and stuff. Very nice little banjo. I think the head is maybe might just be a 10-inch head, something like that. But this is a nice banjo. It's real lightweight. And here's another sort of the way that it's got this screw. You see that a lot of the Fairbanks and Cole banjos. The way that they call that it's sort of just like a shoe from the tension hooks that they put in there. That's pretty cool. Anyhow, that's all I wanted to show y'all on that. Nice plain banjo. Nothing to it. Just real pretty, classy, fully restored. Nylon strings on it. Try to make it seem, play and look and feel like it would have in the 1890s. Alright, thanks for looking. We'll see you later.